Oh my goodness, bro. That sounds...
What is going on, you all? We're here in Backrooms, Call of Duty Zombies Quest 2 style.
Oh shoot, he's too fast for me. Hold on, wait, I was just trying to get my YouTube. This map is pretty fire. Oh man, there's a lot of cool stuff up in here. See ya. A lot of zombies that come out round one. My fam, I'm telling y'all, yo, this thing is flaming. Do I have to actually run? I wonder, like, if... No, you don't actually have to run like Backrooms VR. Oddly, you run pretty slow. That'd be dope, dude. Oh, that'd be fire if you do that like in no clip. All right, so let's keep going around here, see what else we got, bro. There's a lot of stuff around here. So I like this, man. You're just kind of roaming around here. You can kind of see like everything. Wonder where the zombies went though. I think the zombies probably reappear in a little bit. The question is there any more? Well, look, there they are. They're chilling right there. That's cool. They just like float around. It's not really like your typical chase. Let's see, like, they don't even know where the hell I'm at. Oh, it gets dark up in here. I don't know where any of the guns are at, by the way. Where are the guns? I got money. They gave me money right here. Can I offer the zombies money? Look at all that stuff in there. Oh, that's not working. Is that a mule? I don't know what that is up in there. Is that a mule kick? Double tap maybe? You know the power is at? Oh, excuse me. The main frame right here. Okay, we're going super far. I need to find the power switch. There's too many of them. There's too many of them. Like, how do we open that door? I must find a way. Why y'all so fast? Come here, boy. See ya. Bring it. There it is. We found it. Yes. Yeah. Here you go. We're partying now, gentlemen. La fiesta. See you later. Fiesta la salsa. Oh, we're going that way. I just got over here, dog. I just made it over here. Y'all trying to ruin my day. Now we are in here, fam. I don't even care right now, bro. Just give me a gun. Yes. So mule kick, quick revive, pack of punches here. How much is it? I could pack this already. Speed cola. Perfect. Thank you very much.
This is like standing in grocery line.
Yeah, we packed the gun too. Let's go. Now we finally made it. We packed it. We packed the gun and everything. Here, that's basically how you get into the door. You turn on the power. Now, mystery box, so that might have to be something I look for while I turn everything on. But right now, I'm gonna chill in here and see if I can kill some zombies. Kind of like flashes a lot out there. The other rooms are kind of... Oh, yeah, buddy. Bring them on in. Bring them on in. Let's do the cha-cha. There we go. Now we getting started, fam. Now we getting started, fam. There you go. Woo! That was dope. Shoot you in the peen.
Why am I so heavy?
There you go. It feel like Christmas. It feel like Christmas. Can we pack it twice? How much points do I got? Oh! There's dogs in here?
Fetch me their soul.
Oh. There's dogs in the back rooms. There's dogs in the back rooms. Okay, hold on. Wait, hold on. We're gonna chill right here, fam. I don't know where... Oh my goodness, bro. That sounds...
Oh, becoming annoying.
How did they know that? Oh, they're mad scary in here. Oh, that's... Oh. No! That was pretty fresh overall. The Backrooms, it still needs a lot of work. There's a lot of glitches up in there, but there are some fun moments. Once you find that power, you're able to get into that segment and pack your guns. And I don't know if there's mystery box. I didn't find one in there. I was trying to look around. I appreciate you all so much. If y'all hit us up with a thumbs up, subscribe, it always means the world. And shout out to the mods, the devs. I appreciate y'all, man. Peace.